Out we go. We have a severe weather alert, an early warning weather alert in effect for today for the potential for severe weather. As you can see there, Connecticut, all of Connecticut, the Storm Prediction Center has placed Connecticut in a slight risk area for severe weather today. The risks: damaging winds, large hail, and potentially an isolated tornado or two somewhere in the region. Heavy downpours could cause localized flash flooding. And another hazard is going to be frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. It's also going to be quite humid with dew points reaching the low and middle 70s. Temperatures should peak out in the 80s today. So just wanted to give you a heads up that that's what's on the way for this afternoon. Now, right now, we do have some showers, a little bit of a brief thunderstorm coming down in parts of northern Connecticut. This is in Colebrook, West Hartland, East Hartland. It is moving out of the state, but we still have some lightning strikes to contend with. So just let this pass you on by. It is moving up into parts of Massachusetts, and it'll be out of Connecticut within the next 10 to 15 minutes. It'll be gone. So that's the good news. The bad news is more of it's coming later this afternoon. All right, our ICAMs across Connecticut, West Haven, you guys are looking pretty good this morning. There's no fog out there this morning, which is some pretty good news. Here's a little time-lapse photography of lake compounds. Going to be a stormy day today, so if you are headed to any of the amusement parks, make sure you have a safe haven to get to in the event that some of these storms do roll through. Mild and muggy this morning, storms this afternoon, and the potential for severe weather does exist in the day, all day today, right through tonight. Temperatures this morning are in the low to mid 70s. Look at this, 74 degree temperature in Bridgeport, 70 right now in Chester, 72 in New Haven, 71 at Brainerd. You get the point. The temperatures are way above average by about 10 degrees, and the dew points, even along the shoreline, 70 degrees in New Haven, Chester, and in Danbury. When you get dew points in the 70s, it's downright oppressive out there. And the winds are fairly calm, which is good news. All right, as we take you out right now, the temperatures will top out in the low to mid 80s by later on this afternoon. Watch the icons go over to showers and thunderstorms. As early as noontime today, we do run that risk for scattered showers and thunderstorms, and more of the same for the shoreline. It'll be a couple of degrees cooler along the shoreline than inland, but still everybody's going to be warm and soupy and humid. Ugh, along comes a spider right in my face.
Like that. Creepy crawly.
What creepy crawly. Waterbury, good morning to you. We'll take you right now to New Haven, a little brightening in the sky. The sun is coming up in just a little bit, and not a bad looking ICAM in Middletown, but don't forget there is rain in parts of northwest Connecticut this morning. We can track it with our regional radar. I just showed it to you on our own Doppler radar, but here it is moving on up into Massachusetts. And as you can see, this little cluster of activity will continue to ride to the north and to the east. Now, as we take a look, we just talked about storms in Iowa. Unfortunately, they had tornadic activity there yesterday and overnight. Now it could be our turn this afternoon as the severe weather threat heightens over Connecticut. Now, this is Futurecast. I think it's a little underplayed through the afternoon. This is 5 o'clock. This is 7 o'clock tonight. It gets a little bit more active tonight through very early tomorrow morning. You'll see this is 9 o'clock tonight. This is 10 o'clock tonight. Things start to gradually wind down. Then tomorrow during the day, partly sunny skies. It's going to be a hot day, a humid day tomorrow. And then tomorrow evening, we start to see the clouds redevelop. And unfortunately, more rain is expected Thursday night into Friday morning, but these should be garden variety showers and thunderstorms. This is 11 o'clock. Watch as an area of low pressure rides along that stalled cold front. But then here comes the front through the state. Gradual clearing takes place, and Friday morning will be amazing. Still a little cloud coverage, but Friday during the day is going to be terrific. Look at all these clear skies. This is around noontime on Friday, so we just got to get there. Highs today are going to climb into the mid to, let's just say low to mid 80s. Your 7-day forecast and storm potential, that's the storm threat for today. Wind, flooding, hail, and even again a tornado. So that's not too good for this afternoon. Highs today climb into the mid 80s, and then your 7-day forecast, it includes gradual improvement over the weekend. We just got to get there. Today is humid, tomorrow's humid. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 80s. Severe weather threat today. It's kind of goes down tomorrow, which is good news, but we still run the risk for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. A little bit of rain Thursday night into Friday morning, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, all looking terrific.